Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. Hi, I'm Coach EmRatThich. This is an amazing moments in Paris Olympics 2024. North Korea wins first Olympic medal in 8 years. North Korea has won an Olympic silver medal in table tennis mixed doubles at the Paris Games. On July 30th, 2024, Ri Jung-sik and Kim Kum-yong were defeated in the final by China's Wang Chuqin and Sun Ying-sha. This medal is North Korea's first in 8 years, achieved despite missing the Tokyo Games and being ranked lowest among the 16 teams. Internet users have hailed a selfie featuring North Korean, South Korean, and Chinese athletes as the most significant photo taken at the Paris Olympics. Netizens also dubbed the photo a reflection of cross-border unity and true Olympic spirit. The image was captured as China's Wang Chuqin and Sun Ying-sha bagged the gold medal in table tennis mixed doubles after beating Ri Jung-sik and Kim Kum-yong from North Korea on July 30th, 2024. South Korea's Lim Jong-hoon and Shin Yu-bin earned a third-place spot on the podium by beating Hong Kong's squad. What a beautiful moment. True sportsmanship breaks all boundaries and unifies. Sportsmanship, friendship, and peace. If only reunification between North and South Korea was that easy. North Korea sent only 16 athletes to Paris 2024, yet they still got their first silver medal, which is quite an achievement. 2 silver medals. Now they've won a silver medal in synchronized diving. Pretty impressive. IMO. Sending less than 20 athletes and getting medals. Many nations haven't even won a medal yet in these Olympics. This is the meaning of the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games should not involve too many political factors, nor should there be too much ideological interference.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.